Okay.
So Coles must be delighted. 4-1 victory and through to the next round.
Absolutely, that was the main goal today. No matter how we got through, is just to make sure that we're in the next round for the hat, and we did it very well today.
We started the game brightly. Raul Pereira, 2 great chances. You must be pleased with the forwards' work. They might not have gone the score sheet, but they've worked tirelessly all afternoon, him and Johnny Evans.
Yeah, definitely. Raul has put a massive shift in all game. And it's always difficult because obviously everyone expects the big number 9 to go and score the goals, but the unselfish runs he makes, the runs he makes for the team, he's been incredible for us, and the work rate from him has been great. Likewise in the first half from Johnny Evans and from Owen, and that's what we're about. We're about hard work, we're about graft, and then after it, then the results and the goals come.
That first goal just seemed to relax everyone then, and I think the confidence just flowed there. How much is it great to see that you're getting 4 goals on the score sheet today?
Yeah, definitely. It's always going to be the same, isn't it, in these type of games? Whoever gets the first one, it settles the nerves a little bit. Fortunate for us, it was us. But like you say, to go and score 4 goals and the way we did it, I thought it was outstanding.
And some good midfield play there. We looked quite comfortable at the back there, so that must be pleasing as well.
Yeah, it is. The back four have been tremendous all season. Like you say, we've always conceded by that odd 1 goal, and it's always been a late one or whatever it may be. Today they sat off a little bit, so it obviously makes life a little easier for the back four to get on the ball and then try and play balls into the midfield boys. And then once they did go into midfield, they were very creative. Jay and Darlow and Thorny were excellent. Switches of play, and it just got us on the front foot and to go and attack them.
How's Martin in the dressing room? He must be over the moon with grabbing 3.
Yeah, he's great. To be fair, he's come up with some big goals this season. He's put a couple of free kicks in. He's got a good free kick again on Tuesday. But any young kid to go and get a senior hat-trick in the Welsh Prem is in the Welsh Cup, is outstanding, and we're all pleased for him.
And finally, we've got Harry Franklin coming back there, and that's to be pleasing, and especially with that massive game next week against a very difficult opposition against TNS.
Yeah, definitely. It's always nice to have players back. So we're hoping to have Franks will get a bit more work done this week. And then hopefully we'll look towards Lee Jenkins, and John Owens not too far away. Like you say, we're going to TNS full of confidence. It seems that around the dressing room we're not fazed by whoever we play. So we're very much looking forward to it and hoping to get a positive result from them.
Finally, Thomas Crocs just told me we've had 4 home ties in a row. Do you want a 5th?
Yeah, it's always nice to play home, isn't it? It's always a slight advantage playing at home pitch, especially now with the fans back in. So let's hope for a good draw so we can progress further.
Corbett, many congratulations. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Cheers.